Students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh from LPM Public School. Now once again we will start our chapter economics, books economics, and we will start next topic is here meaning of conjunction function and propensity to conjugate. This is our new topic. With the help of that we will read, and in future next lecture we will solve questions. Before that we have to read numerical formula. After that, when we will know the formula, after that we can able to solve numericals. That's why come on the point, listen. Meaning of conjunction function. Conjunction function state the relationship between consumption and income. Okay, once again listen. Consumption function states the relation between consumption and income. We can say C equal to Fy. With the help of that we can able to state the relation between consumption and income. With the help of that we can able to calculate, and with the help of that we can able to know relationship between consumption and income. With the help of that, next one is according to Keynes. Now we will read according to Keynes what he want to say. Men are disposed as a rule and on an average to increase their competition, increase their consumption and their income. Their consumption and their income increases, but not as much as increase in their income. With the help of that, what he want to say? It means that is an income rises, propensity to consume also rises. Okay, consume will also rise according to Keynes. But while less than increase in income, propensity to consume refers to the schedule, which show the level and consumption at a different level of income. With the help of that, Keynes want to explain these things. Behalf of that, we can able to know consumption and their income. After that, from this meaning, we can know how many types of conjunctions. So now we will read two types of conjunction function. First one is here average propensity of consume. Okay, we can say shortly APC means average propensity to consume. With the help of that we can say it is the ratio between total consumption and total income. When we are reading average propensity of consume, once again listen, average propensity to consume. With the help of that we can say it is the ratio between total consumption and income. Okay, at a given level of an income in the economy, or its ratio of consumption expenditure to be corresponding level of income. Behalf of that we can say this is the formula. With the help of this explanation we are getting this solution. Means APC equal to consumption by income. We have to put the valuation. After that we can able to calculate APC. Okay, APC equal to consumption by income. Consumption we will donate with capital C and income we will donate with the help of capital Y. Now our next topic is B. Second one, marginal propensity of consume. Okay. Second one is the marginal propensity of consume. We will write it shortly MPC. MPC. Now you have to listen. It is the ratio between changes of competitions. Otherwise, we can say consumptions. It is the ratio between change in consumption to change in income. With the help of that, we are getting new formula MPC equal to change in consumption by change in income. We can able to write it MPC equal to del C by del Y. Shortly we can able to write del C by del Y. When we will solve these types of questions, we have to write this one. This is a short form of that, because it is the very easiest way. With the help of that we can able to write. Once again listen, marginal propensity of consume MPC. It is the ratio between changes of consumption to change in income. It is a showing only ratio between both. With the help of that, we can able to calculate MPC. Clear? This is the important part of propensity of consume. With the help of that, we can able to solve it. If question will ask to make a table, you will make a table. Otherwise, you will have to make a schedule and you have to explain with the help of curve also. Okay? After that, just going to second step. Once again, I am revising you. Here, we are reading about the meaning of consumption. In front of you, I have written meaning of consumption. And after, types of propensity to consume. Then, two types are given in front of you. First one, average propensity to consume. APC. Second one is given in front of you, marginal propensity of consume, means MPC. Two things I had shown you in front of you. According to that, you have to make a notes and revise. If any doubt you are facing, you have to ask. But now your next topic is the meaning of saving function. We can say saving function or propensity to save. What we are reading here, same thing we have to come here. It is the saving and it is the consume. Okay? This is the difference between both. According to that, we will read these types of formula, and when numericals will come, we can able to solve. That's why these are the things you have to make a note and revise it well. So once again come on the point, saving function or propensity to save. So in front of you, I have written a small line, okay, a small definition for it. You have to write it. These are the very shortest note in front of you, okay. Saving function refers to the relation between saving and income. Once again listen, saving function refers to the relation between saving and income. With the help of that, we can say, we can able to identify, we can able to know what is the relation between saving and income. We can able to donate it with the help of S and Y. इसे हम कैपिटल S या कैपिटल Y से प्रदर्शित करते हैं शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म. सेम प्रोसेस, टाइप्स ऑफ सेविंग फंक्शन. Before that, I want to tell you one line. S equal to Fy. This is the function, it's a process. Behalf of that, we can able to calculate saving. Next type of saving function. Then now we will read once again two types of saving function. How we have read two types of function here in consume. Same we will read two types of function in the saving. First one is the average propensity to save. Propensity to save, we will write it in the shortly APS. In shortest form, we can able to write it APS. Now second one is given in front of you, marginal propensity to save. Marginal propensity to save, shortest form MPC. It is written in front of you. After that, when I will erase it, then I will explain about both. How we have explained here both topics. Same, dear students, you have to write and make a note, and both are very important for you. Okay, you have to write it. And next we are going to start next topic, type of saving function with the help of definition and formula. Now our topic is started from here, average propensity to save. Average propensity to save, shortly we can able to write it APS. With the help of that, average propensity to save, shortly we can able to write APS. It is defined as the ratio of total saving to the total income of the income. We can say it once again, relation. It is defined as the ratio. It is defined as the ratio. Okay, ratio of total saving to the total income of economy. With the help of that, we have written here in front of you APS equal to saving by income, and saving we have to denote with the help of S and income Y. So APS equal to S by Y. Once again, listen about the average propensity to save. It is defined as the ratio of total saving to the total income of economy. This is the thing. After that, second one is given in front of you, marginal propensity to save, MPS. Now we will read about the marginal. It is defined as the ratio of changing. What is the changes are coming inside? This is the ratio of that. With the help of that, we can able to see what is the changing coming in saving and changes in income. With the help of that, we can able to calculate marginal propensity to save is MPS. Behalf of that, we can able to explain, and when the numericals are coming in the question, we have to put this formula. MPS equal to del S equal to del Y, means changes in saving, second changes in income. With the help of that, we can able to calculate. So this is the very important part of your notes and topic. So you have to write. So now you have to listen. Next topic I am going to explain you about. See here, derivation. What is written here? Derivation of saving function. In front of you, our next topic is given here. Derivation of saving function. We may use the two functions to derive saving curve form. Otherwise, with the help of with the help of two functions, we can able to derive saving function. Otherwise, derivation of saving function. Saving function is two types are given here. First one is a linear conjugation function. Second one is a given linear saving function. In front of you, I have written two functions: linear conjugation function, linear saving function. So first one is written here in front of you: linear conjugation function. When income increases, consumption also increases. Once again listen. When income increases, consumption also increases. But rate of increase in consumption is less than rate of increase in income. With the help of that, we can able to explain linear conjugation function. When income increases, consumption also increases, but rate of increases in the consumption is less than rate of increases in income. With the help of that, we can say C equal to C bar plus dy. With the help of that, we can able to calculate. In last video, in last lecture, I had explained about both formulas. But now once again both it came here. That's why I had repeated once again. In last lecture you had listened about it. So now once again you have to see with the help of definition. The first one can you have to listen. Linear conjugation function. When income increases, consumption also increases, but rate of increases in consumption is less than rate of the increase in income. Behalf of that, we can say that C equal to C bar plus dy. And after that, next one, second is given in front of you, the linear saving function. Here we have read conjugation. Now saving function we are going to read. So first you have to listen. Just like conjugation function, saving function is also linear. Once again you have to listen. Just like conjugation function, saving function is also linear. Saving function can be derived for conjugation function. Okay, this is the only difference. Saving function can be derived from conjugation function. With the help of that, we can say that with the help of both we can able to calculate conjugation, now saving function. And here its formula I written in front of you. When we want to calculate S, then we have to represent S equal to minus C bar plus in small bracket 1 minus dy. This is the important formula. With the help of that, you can able to solve numericals when it will come in the exam. So once again listen. When you want to go to derive these types of formula, derivation of saving function, then you have to read two functions. First one, linear conjugation function and linear saving function. Between both, you will read in linear conjugation function C equal to C bar plus dy, and second one, linear saving function equal to S equal to minus C plus in small bracket 1 minus dy. With with the help of both formula we can able to calculate linear conjunction function and linear saving function. So it is a very important part of that. You have to write and make a note. If any confusion should be there, you have to write and comment. And if you need more and more video, you have to subscribe. Okay, thank you all. Friends, now our next topic is how we add when we are going to read editing of average propensity. Before that, I had told APC and APS. This is the full form of the average propensity, and average propensity when we had to able to use with the help of when with the help of consume with the able of that we can able to addition. कैसे हम एडिशन निकालेंगे एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी का और एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी ऑफ द सेम, ठीक है। जैसे आपको बताया गया APC प्लस APC मीन्स एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी ऑफ कंज्यूम। नाउ एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी ऑफ सेविंग APS equal to 1. For example, if we are going to add, then we know formula. What I had told before 1 minute, last we have to go in the preview. APC equal to C by Y. APC equal to C by Y. This is the formula. And second one, APS. APS, see in the preview what is the formula, S by Y. Okay, this is the formula. According to that I have written here, but now we are going to add it. According to that we have to add APC plus APS. When we are going to add, then we have to write the both value according to our question. C Y plus S Y. Clear? According to that you have to solve C plus S divided by Y, because Y is the common on the both. Okay. After that we can able to write C plus Y. Okay. C plus S divided by Y, we can able to write it. You have got one formula, C plus S by Y equal to Y by Y. Means when Y will divide with the help of Y, then it should be 1. Then we can able to say that APC the proof. With the help of that, we can able to prove it. Because here in bracket we have to write C plus S equal to Y. Before that in formula I had explained about it. मैंने इसके पहले आपको फॉर्मूले में बताया था कि C plus S equal to Y. When C plus S came here, at the place of C plus S, we have written the value of Y. With the help of that, we can able to know each and every solution and conjunction of this. Okay, this is the process. Behalf of that, we have completed. Listen once again. APC plus APS equal to 1. This is the process, and we are going to approve it. Prove it. हम कैसे इसे prove करेंगे? Then we know very well. APC equal to C by Y. अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया APC equal to C by Y, and second formula APS equal to S by Y. ये दोनों फॉर्मूले आपको क्लियरली मैंने बताया। अब जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो APC plus APS equal to C by Y plus S by Y. और आप सबको पता है कि आगे जब क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व करते हैं वी आर टेकिंग कॉमन अदरवाइज एलसीएम, बट नाउ बोथ आर सेम, देन y we have to write and c plus s, at the place of c plus s we will write y, because according to our formula c plus s equal to y, so at the place of that we have taken y by y and it is crossed and we got 1. That's why it should be approved c plus s equal to y. Clear? Now second one I am going to prove it MPC MPS. How we will prove it? We know an important formula MPC. अभी मैंने आपको जो फार्मूला बताया है उसी के रेशियो पे हम कर रहे हैं। इसका फार्मूला आपने पढ़ा होगा डेल सी बाई डेल वाई। ओके, नाउ एमपीएस का फार्मूला आपको बताया गया होगा डेल एस बाई डेल वाई। ओके, अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले इसी वीडियो में इसी लेक्चर में इन फॉर्मूलाज के बारे में बताया। अब अगर हम इसे ऐड करते हैं तो कैसे ऐड करेंगे? देखिए MPC प्लस equal to, now you know very well how we have to go and calculate equal and this we have to write, ठीक है? इसको हम लिखेंगे। अब ऐड करना है LC प्लस here, clear? Now we know very well when we will take LCM of both we will get same. Okay, del y. Now del c and del s should be here. Okay, with the help of that, once again you have to come on there, del c plus del s equal to del y, del c plus del s equal to del y. It is also one important formula is given in the book. इसके अनुसार आपको यहाँ del y लिखना होगा at the place of that. So see, here del y is already given here. At the place of it we have to write del y. Now we have to write del y by del y. Now when we have to cross it, we will get 1. Now it is the proved this one MPC plus MPS equal to 1 with the help of these formulas. And first one APC plus APS we had proved 1 with the help of these formulas. Before that, before this lecture, before 1 and 2 minutes, I had explained the formulas. That's why to solve it, behalf of that, we can able to calculate each and everything. That's why, dear student, is a very important part of your education and syllabus. Now, this is the thing. According to this formula, you can able to calculate your APC and APS. With the help of this formula, MPC and MPS, we can able to calculate, and both sides we had proved. Okay, here APC plus APS equal to 1. We had proved here 1. Second one, MPC plus MPS equal to 1. here we had to 1. Okay, left hand side equal to right hand side should be there. LHS equal to RHS, all are equal here. Behalf of that we have to solve question in the exams, in notebook also. Okay, thank you all for listening it. Dear students, you have to make a note and prepare well, and with the help of this formula you have to solve question. Thank you all. Subscribe this channel and share it with your friends.